Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing the Elden Ring PS5 infinite loading issue on your PS5. Place your PS5 on a flat surface so we can start troubleshooting your PS5 safely. Begin by turning off your PS5 completely using the PS5 power button. Wait until you hear the PS5 click sound confirming the PS5 is fully powered down. Unplug the PS5 power cable from the back of your PS5. Remove the HDMI cable from your PS5 to refresh connections on the PS5. Wait 30 seconds before reconnecting your PS5 cables. Plug the HDMI cable firmly back into your PS5 HDMI port. Insert the power cable securely into the PS5 power port. Press the PS5 power button to boot the PS5 normally. Once the PS5 turns on, launch Elden Ring on your PS5 to test the loading screen. If the PS5 still gets stuck, return to the PS5 home screen. Close Elden Ring on the PS5 by pressing Options on the PS5 controller and selecting Close Game. Restart the PS5 again to refresh the PS5 system cache. After reboot, go to Settings on your PS5. Scroll to Save Data and Games/App Settings on your PS5. Open Save Data for PS5 games. Select Elden Ring's saved data on your PS5. Choose Delete console saved data, but keep cloud data safe on your PS5. Restart Elden Ring on your PS5 to see if the PS5 issue is gone. If not, go back to the PS5 home screen. Open Settings again on your PS5. Go to Storage on your PS5. Open Console Storage on your PS5. Select Elden Ring and choose Check for corrupted data on your PS5. Allow the PS5 to repair any damaged files. Once done, reboot your PS5 again. If the PS5 still sticks on loading, highlight Elden Ring on your PS5. Press Options and select Delete Game from your PS5. Go to your PS5 game library to reinstall Elden Ring on your PS5. Start the download and ensure the PS5 remains connected to stable internet. While installing, gently clean your PS5 vents to prevent overheating on your PS5. Use a soft brush to remove dust around the PS5 side vents. Check that your PS5 has proper airflow and space around the PS5. Once the install finishes, restart your PS5 one more time. Now try launching Elden Ring on your PS5 again. If the PS5 still fails, turn off the PS5 completely. Hold the PS5 power button for 7 seconds to enter PS5 safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller with a cable to the PS5. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database from PS5 Safe Mode options. Wait while the PS5 rebuilds its database. After reboot, try Elden Ring on your PS5 again. If the issue continues, return to PS5 Safe Mode. Select Update System Software to update your PS5. Allow the PS5 to complete the update process. Restart the PS5 once the update is done. Launch Elden Ring again on your PS5 to test it. If the PS5 still loads infinitely, reinstall the PS5 system software using Safe Mode Option 6. After reinstalling, set up your PS5 again and reinstall Elden Ring on your PS5. Your Elden Ring PS5 infinite loading issue should now be fixed and your PS5 ready to play.